Hello and welcome to this informational recording regarding the Storm Prediction Center Day 4 through 8 convective outlook changes. The Storm Prediction Center has revised the Day 4 through 8 categorical severe weather outlook to better describe the likelihood of severe weather to our partners and public. A new forecast threshold category of 15% has been added for days 4 through 8. The changes to the Day 4 through 8 convective outlooks became effective on December 16, 2014. Some background on these changes. Risk communication is fundamentally linked to science-based threat probabilities. This drives communication intensity and decision support. Probabilities are central to all SPC convective outlooks. The SPC has been issuing probabilistic forecasts since 1999. Some of the rationale behind the changes. Prior to the change, only areas of probabilities of 30% were drawn on the Day 4 through 8 outlook. This change helps the SPC communicate severe threats earlier in the forecast process when forecaster confidence and/or forecast severe potential is lower than a 30% probability threshold. The addition of a new 15% forecast threshold contributes to a greater product consistency in the forecast transition from days 4 to 8 to the Day 3 time frame. Changes are based on customer feedback and expressed user needs. This example graphically shows the changes to the Day 4 through 8 convective outlook. Previously, only a single line using a 30% threshold was shown, but now a second line and area has been added for each day. This slide shows an example Day 4 through 8 convective outlook. It features a loop of the individual forecast days between days 4 and 8. This example is what the Day 4 through 8 outlook might typically look like during the spring or other relatively active time periods. In summary, as of December 16, 2014, a new forecast probability threshold of 15% was added to the Day 4 through 8 convective outlook. Prior to the change, only areas of probabilities of 30% were forecast, which are roughly analogous to expectations of a possible high-end slide or moderate risk or above. This change will allow SPC forecasters to highlight a lower threshold of 15% for severe weather potential between days 4 through 8, while still drawing attention to areas with a more consequential severe risk. The 30% area remains consistent, and that's analogous to the pre-December 16th format. Thank you for viewing this informational recording on the Day 4 through 8 convective outlook changes. See our website for more details, and here's how to find us on Facebook and Twitter.